So honestly, the exam was challenging, very challenging. I wouldn't say it was easy paper, but because of some of the questions were presented in a way that really made me think between two options. So I wasn't always about like simply remembering the drugs or a fact. Sometimes I had actually apply what I knew in the situation. Like what ma'am taught us, like we have to eliminate the questions that are not sure.
So, hello everyone. Once again, I am back with one more success story today. Mr. Kaleem is with me, who today qualifies his Opera exam in the first attempt. So, congratulations, Mr. Kaleem, for passing your Opera exam in the first attempt. So, Kaleem, how's your feelings right now?
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. I'm really feeling very happy today because this is a special day for me. Like after a huge hard work, finally the hard work paid off, sir.
So Kaleem, can I have a few questions with you so that we can make it more interactive?
Sure, sir, sure.
So Kaleem, can you please introduce yourself and from which background you are, from where you graduated, and nowadays where you are living? Can you please describe it?
Yeah, sir, sure. So my name is Sayyid Kalimullah Hussaini, and I am actually from Hyderabad, India. I have done my schooling from Saudi Arabia since 2005 to 2000. So right after completing my schooling, I came back to India for my further education, higher educations, and I have completed my pharmd from Bhaskar Pharmacy College, Moinabad, last year 2025. And right after completing my pharmd, once I graduated, I have joined the elite expertise because like I was in search of different other opinions as well. According to my friends and relatives, they were saying that there are many other options. You can go to abroad, any other country, for study visa, for like any other purposes as well. So I was digging up into these things for like about 2-3 months after completing my degree. Then I came to know that there are entrance exams where we have to qualify them. Then we can work as a pharmacist in other countries as well. We can recognize our pharmd and our license in other countries as well. So they were like PEPC and other exams with it. Then I have decided to join elite expertise and carry on with the Australian pathway.
So you were in Saudi Arabia in the initial days, and later on you did your pharmd from India from Bhaskar Institute. So Kaleem, please let us know when did you started preparing for this Opera exam, and why did you choose Australia as your professional destination?
So I have started my preparation since December 2025, and I have been connected with elite expertise since then. And I was under the guidance of Arif sir and Harika ma'am, and the preparation was around 3 months, 3-4 months, and they covered the major parts. Like sir, we needed to study about clearing examination. The strategies were like so informative and helpful for us. It helped us in sir, acquiring the knowledge and getting a proper information about every single drug. Why are they used, the mechanism, the contraindications, which drugs are safe for pregnancy, which is not, and all those things. They have interacted us in a way that we can learn every single thing in a clinical way, not like just by hearting or understanding it, or just learning things or by hearting. It was like you have to apply things clinically. That's what Harika ma'am used to say. Like if a question comes in the examination, think it like you are having a patient in front of you and you have to deal with him. It's not like just studying and completing your exam or just passing off. It's just how you implement these things in your real life. That was really helpful, sir. That's what I learned from them.
So you are supposing the things in your real world, and then you are finding the solution of it.
Yes, sir, exactly.
So how was your Opera preparation journey? So how many hours you spent for the preparation of Opera exam? So can you please brief about your strategy?
Yeah.
How many mocks you have given, and basically how did you prepare it?
So basically, I have invested all of my time in preparing for Opera only, because that all my entire aim was. I have to pass the exam at any cost. I have to just put all of my efforts just to qualify this exam, and I have done all of the mocks. I haven't left any of them. I have followed whatever ma'am and Arif sir told us. So it was like I have been following the mocks and the lectures as well. When it comes to the final revision classes, that entire 1 month, last 1 month was so beneficial and informative, sir. It was really helpful. I've learned different things from both of them, Arif sir and Harika ma'am. But the biggest thing I took away from like the approach and clinical questions rather than memorizing it, as I already mentioned before, like how you implement them in your real life. They taught us like look into the patient and the condition, the medication, the contraindication, everything, the situation before you decide to prescribe a patient. The clinical thinking should be there always before giving. Even if you are attending the examination, you should be ready with what kind of medications, what are the drugs, and every knowledge you should be having in your mind. So that's how you have to do. I would say that I didn't it didn't just help me to prepare the exam, but they helped me to improve the way I think about the pharmacy related questions as well, sir, in the examination.
Really? So, ma'am and sir is having extensive knowledge regarding the subject, and they are working
Yeah.
pharmacists over there. So, their experience really helped candidates to pass their Opera exam. So,
Yes, sir.
Kaleem, please tell us something about the real Opera exam. When you faced the real Opera exam, so what was your thinking, and how did Harika ma'am and Arif sir help you at that point of time?
Okay, so honestly, the exam was challenging, very challenging. I wouldn't say it was easy paper, but because of some of the questions were presented in a way that really made me think between two options. So I wasn't always about like simply remembering the drugs or a fact. Sometimes I had actually apply what I knew in the situation. Like what ma'am taught us, like you have to eliminate the questions that are not sure. Like if a question is there, what is the accurate questions among four of them? Eliminate two wrong questions and focus on both you have doubt on. So
Yes.
among both of them, which is the most appropriate question, just go with them. If in the case you don't know any of them, so we can select that question. Sorry, the correction. So among both of them, we can select the most appropriate option.
Elimination method basically help you to take the decision at the time of a real Opera exam at the Pearson Center. So
Yes,
that
sir,
strategy
that was
really works. Yes.
Yes, sir, that was the only way that helped me to clear my exam, I feel, because that was the best option ma'am told us to do.
So how was your calculations? How many calculations you got in your exam?
I didn't got much calculation, sir. It was like about 2 or 3 questions, but among 2-3, I got the most toughest question. My first question was a calculation itself. So I have tried thinking about the question. I was honestly, I'm not that much into calculation stuff, but I gave my best. I did the calculation. I found that which is the most appropriate and most nearest answer to my calculation. I have selected that.
The first question was really challenging for you.
Yes.
So what
That was really
motivated
challenging.
you to complete the exam? And what about the rest of the exam? What about the therapeutics content?
So, like a few days before examination, Arif sir told us that you need not to worry about any specific questions. If you're feeling like you have any doubt or any point where you're getting stuck, just skip for once, mark it and flag it for once, then move forward, do other questions. Once your mind get opened up and you see other questions, you will be able to go back and answer that if you have the free time. So don't waste time on just one specific question. That's what I have kept in mind, and I was been following my entire exams.
Just flag the question and go ahead. Yes, this is actually a good thing. So today morning you got your result, and
Yes.
finally you passed your Opera exam. So what was feeling at that time when you saw your result today early morning?
Honestly, sir, it's difficult to explain. I was extremely happy, but at the same time, I was like, once I got the result, I bowed down to my Lord Allah, and I thanked Him for helping me to clear this exam. Then after that, I went to my parents, my siblings. I just informed that I've cleared my exam after this hard work, and it was really amazing feeling inside, sir. But at the same time, there was a lot of relief because I had already gone through an unsuccessful attempt before as well. So when I saw that I have cleared it, I really felt like all those hours of hard work and studying and revising and doubting myself had finally paid off, sir. And I'm especially happy because at this time I knew I had improved my previous attempt. So clearing it feels like a personal achievement as well, sir.
Yeah, definitely. So, any advice you want to give to the future aspirants regarding the Opera exam preparation?
An advice I would give: follow whatever ma'am and sir says, because they are experienced, they are knowledge, they know everything what's gonna come, and they will teach us in a way that you will confidently say that even if I don't pass or pass, it's up to the destiny, sir. Even if the question comes, you will confidently answer most of them. And it's not just about answering and just attempting the exam. This is how it matters, like how you implement these things in your real life. Despite of just learning and revising and just attempting exam, that's not the big deal. We have to learn and study the things in a way that it will help people through us.
Yeah, because pharmacist is a social responsibility basically. So we have some social responsibility for the patient, for the society. And if we are a good pharmacist, definitely we can help the society, we can serve the society. So few things
Yes, sir.
about the Arif sir. Last question, few things about the Arif sir and Harika ma'am and team elite expertise, the backhand team, admin team, technical team who supported you in your entire journey. Any words for each of them?
So, sir, for me, elite expertise was more than just joining a coaching program, attending lecture, and just listening to the classes. That's not it. It gave me a proper structure for the preparation of Opera exam. They help in every single aspect, sir. Like for connecting, for even every single kind of doubt, for eligibility check, for joining the classes, how to strategize our upcoming classes, how to learn things, because the faculty like Arif sir and Harika ma'am, they helped me understand what to focus on, how to revise, and the most importantly, how to approach the clinical questions. I would definitely recommend elite expertise to someone preparing for Opera, especially if they are feeling lost about where to start and how to organize their preparation, because I was at the same stage where they are going to be in the future. And personally, I am really grateful to Arif sir and Harika ma'am and the entire elite expertise team, because they were an important part of our journey to clearing the examination in every aspect, sir. I'm really grateful for them.
So this was Kaleem, who today qualifies his Opera exam with elite expertise. If you are also a pharmacist who wants to pass your Opera exam, so join elite expertise. Definitely, here the plan is very structured, and you can pass your exam with elite expertise. So I will be back with more and more success stories. So till now, like this video, and if you find our channel useful, subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.